Have you ever felt left behind? Your friend bought something and made a lot of money. Your cousin invested in something and become rich, and you are sitting there thinking, what is this crypto? Did I miss the train? In 2010, a man bought two pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. Today, those 10,000 Bitcoins are worth more than $600 million. Two pizzas equal to $600 million. Can you imagine? Today, I'll tell you the full story of cryptocurrency. No technical word, no boring lecture. I'll tell you like a story of money, dream, greed, and fear. If you are new, this is story for you. Watch till the end because at the end I'll tell you three big mistakes that make 90% of people lose money in crypto. Let's start. What is money? Before we understand crypto, we have to understand money. What is money? A paper? No. Money is trust. 100 years ago, if I had a goat and you had rice, we would exchange goat for rice. This was called barter system. But it was a problem. What if you don't want my goat? So humans created money. We all agreed that this paper has value. But who controls this money? Banks and governments. If government prints more money, your money's value goes down. This is called inflation. You know this. 10 years ago, samosa was 5 rupees. Now it is 15 rupees. Your money lost power. So some people thought, can we make a type of money that no government, no bank can control? A money that belongs to the people. And that idea became crypto. The birth of crypto coin. A mystery story. Year was 2008. The whole world was in crisis. Big banks in America crashed. People lost their houses, their jobs, their savings. People lost trust in banks. At the same time, on the internet, a mysterious person appeared. His name was Satoshi Nakamoto. Till today, no one knows who he is. Is he one person? Is he a group? Japanese? American? No one knows. He just left a 9-page paper on the internet. He wrote, I have made a new type of money. No bank needed, no government needed. People can send money directly to each other. He called it Bitcoin. In 2009, he created the first Bitcoin, price zero. It was worthless. In 2010, a programmer named Laszlo did the first Bitcoin transaction. He paid 10,000 Bitcoins for two pizzas. People laughed at him, but then magic started. 2011, one Bitcoin equal to $1. 2013, one Bitcoin equal to $100. 2017, one Bitcoin equal to $20,000. 2021, one Bitcoin equal to $69,000. A man who bought pizza for 10,000 Bitcoin, he would have been a billionaire. This story gives you two emotions, excitement and regret, and that is why everyone runs toward crypto. But what is the Bitcoin actually? Let me explain simple. How does crypto work? Forget technical work. Imagine a big notebook. Imagine a village with 100 people. Normally we have one accountant, the bank. The bank write in its notebook who paid whom. We had to trust the bank. But Satoshi said, what if we give a copy of this notebook to everyone in the village? So if Amit sent one Bitcoin to Rahul, Everyone write in their notebook. Amit send one to Rahul. Notebook is everywhere. You cannot cheat. If you try to lie, 99 other notebooks will say you are lying. This technology of shared notebook is called blockchain. Blockchain equal to a notebook that is with everyone. No one can exchange it. No can delete it, and this is powerful because now you don't need a bank. The people are the bank. Now Bitcoin was just the first one. After Bitcoin, thousands of new cryptos came. Ethereum, people said it is not just money, we can make apps on it. Dogecoin started as a joke, as a meme with a dog. Solana, Cardano, faster and cheaper version. Today there are more than 20,000 cryptocurrencies. So crypto is not just one coin, it is a whole new world of internet money. Why do people love crypto? The dream. Why are people so emotional about crypto? Why do young people love it? Reason 1. Freedom. You can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world in 10 seconds. No bank will ask why are you sending. No holidays, Sunday or Monday it works. Reason 2. Hope for poor and middle class. In normal stock market you need a lot of money. In crypto you can start with 100 rupees. Many young boys in India, Nigeria, Philippines feels this is my chance to become rich. Stock market is for rich people. Crypto is for us. Reason 3. No one can stop it. Government cannot freeze your crypto wallet like a bank account. It is yours. Your keys, your money. This dream is beautiful. That is why people Bitcoin goes up. People feel like heroes. They post on Instagram, I made profit. But there is another side, the dark side. The dark side, why 90% people lost money. Here is the truth. No YouTuber tell you crypto is not a get rich quick scheme. It is very, very risky. Mistake 1. Greed. When price goes up, people become greedy. Bitcoin goes from 30k to 60k. They think I'll go to 100k. They don't sell. Then it crashes to 20k. They lost everything. Remember, greed makes you blind. Mistake 2. Fear and fake coins. Every day 100 new coins are launched. Many are scams. They say buy this coin, I will become new Bitcoin. 1000x profit. A big YouTuber or Telegram group will pump the price and then they sell and run away. This is called rug pull. Small investor lost all money. I have seen boys who took loans, sold their bike to buy a random coin, become a friend said so, and then because I have seen boys who took loans, sold their bike to buy a random coin because a friend said so, and then coin becomes zero. Mistake 3. No patience. People want to become rich in 7 days. Crypto is not 7 days. Bitcoin took 10 years to reach here. It crashes 80% their times in its history. 80% down. Imagine your 1 lakh become 20,000. Can your heart handle it? If you can't handle fear, you will always lose. Crypto market never sleeps. It is 24 hours open. That is why people get stressed, depressed. They check price at 3 a.m. Their mental health goes destroyed. So please understand, crypto can make you rich, but it can also make you poor in one night. Should you invest? My honest advice, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but I'll tell you what wise people do. Rule 1. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you have 10,000 rupees, don't invest 10,000. Invest 500 to 1,000. Money that even if it becomes zero, your life will not be destroyed. Rule 2. Learn before you earn. Don't buy because your friend bought. First learn what is this coin? Who made it? What problem does it solve? If you don't understand it, don't buy it. Rule 3. Think long term, not short term. Don't look for coins that will double tomorrow. Look for good project like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and think for 3 to 5 years. Rule 4. Use good and safe apps. Use trusted exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, WazirX, CoinDCX, and never share your password or 12-word seed phrase with anyone. If someone asks for it, it is a scam. Remember, in crypto, you are your own bank. If you lost your key, no one can help you. Dream big, but be careful. So what is crypto? Crypto is not just money, it is an idea that power should be in people's hand, not just banks. It is a story that is still being written. So some say it the future of money, some say it is a big bubble that will burst. Nobody knows the truth, but I know one thing: technology will stay, blockchain will stay. If you want to enter this world, enter with knowledge, not with greed. Enter with patience, not with fear. Don't think I missed Bitcoin. There will always be a new opportunity. Your 7 days challenge. Day 1 to 3. Just watch and learn. Don't buy anything. Day 4, read about Bitcoin and blockchain for 1 hour. Day 5, understand what is a scam coin. Day 6, if you want, invest a very small amount just to learn how it works. Day 7, decide if this world is for you. If this video saved you from losing money or gave you knowledge, please share it with one friend who is blindly investing in crypto. Thank you. Stay safe and stay wise.